Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I got another one of those Plano totes. Thanks to some of my apps that I use, I take photos of my receipts, and in exchange, eventually I get gift cards and things. So I got another Plano tote. And as you can see, I'm going to be filling it with the laundry detergent. I'll probably be putting these in Ziplocs to break it down smaller like this because of the paper. It is coming apart, and that way I can put more in here. It takes up less space because those cardboards only hold 60 loads, but it takes up a lot of space, and that is 60 loads here in this one thing because I put two of them together. So and these are from Temu or Temu, however you want to pronounce it, and they work just as good as these. So, and these are a lot cheaper. So anyways, with the Plano case, it is, I don't know if I can get it to focus. Maybe I can. Nope, won't focus on that. So anyways, let's see if I can put it in here and it will focus. There we go. Alright, the Plano case is heavy duty design, water resistant. I've been saying waterproof, sorry about that. It is water resistant. It has an O-ring seal on the lid. They do have two side carry handles, and it is rated for 85 pounds, and they stack, obviously it says there, but they stack beautifully. I'm really impressed with these totes. As you can kind of tell, I've kind of fallen in love with them. They just work great for like little things that I'm trying to get a stockpile of, and then as I use them and use the product in my apartment, and then I will replace it in the tote, so that way the tote is always almost always full. So anyways, there is the dimensions of the interior. Let me focus just a bit. There we go. And the exterior, and it is made in the US, and I don't think that anything could happen to these things. I mean, it is plastic, so I suppose it could be chewed through over time, but if that happens, you should have taken care of that issue. Anyways, so but I mean, they're really sturdy. They are considered ammo cans, so ammo crates. So I mean, they are pretty heavy duty. So yeah, I'm going to be filling this one. Oops, now that I can bring it back up, with laundry detergent, laundry sheets. I'm going to get rid of the liquids. It's just easier for me to take a sheet to the laundry room than I can put it right in my laundry basket with my laundry, dump everything in the laundry, and voila, done. I don't have to worry about liquids that run all over the bottle, or I gotta clean it up, or if I drop it because I'm shaking and make a mess. Yeah, this stuff, if I drop it, it isn't gonna make a mess. It's not gonna crack open and spill all over the place. It's just gonna fall, and I pick up the sheet. So anyways, I'm going to close this down because I don't have any more in it to go in it. Come on, there we go. I'll lock it down in a minute, and then I'm gonna put one of my smack tags right here. Unfortunately, I can't show you kind of how they work because it comes up with my full name. So until I fix that, I can't show you how it works. But basically, you take one of the tags, you put it down here. I take my camera and point it at it. It links in the camera. I don't have to take a picture of it or nothing. I just I do have to push a spot that it says to like take a photo, but it doesn't actually end up in your photo album. And then it goes directly to the smack tag link, and then I can I claim it, and then I fill it out for what's in here, or what is in any tote that I'm using. And then after that, anytime you scan the QR code, it brings up what's in there, or whatever information that you had put in there. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to be getting at least one more whenever I can get up enough points, or check into my other apps to see if I have enough points for another one. So that way I can put my disinfectants all in one and get them out from underneath the cupboard. This one, as you can see, I did not use the dividers. I thought the big sheets were going to fit side to side on it, but it just doesn't because of the edge where the dividers go in here, and the front and back. It was just, if those weren't there, those Earth Breeze would fit in there perfect. But like I said, I'm going to probably put those in, I'm going to break them down so they're smaller, like that one there. And then I'm just going to fill this up with sheets. And then go from there. Whenever I take a pack out, I'll purchase another pack. And then that way I always have the same amount, or almost always have the same amount. And I should never, ever run out of laundry soap. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.